Model, 68-plate Ford Transit Custom 2.0TD 105PS Econetic 300 front-wheel drive, L1H1. Body, black, panel van. Mileage, 145467. MOT, the 20th of September 2025. Engine, 1996 cc 2.0 TDCI 105 PS. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs underpowered. Turbo needs replacing. Check engine light on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.